And you're gonna give me a review. How's it? Ah, you cannot say bad things, Jack. Like we in Nepalese. Being in Nepal, we have our specialty which is called Momo. There's no plural, just Momo, no S. People usually say Momos, that's wrong. So we're having a Momo party, that is dumpling. And I'm gonna show you guys how we do the dumpling party. I just wanted to show my Nepalese viewers or community how nicely designed or planned houses like the Australian government makes in Australia. As you can see, clean roads, you know, the pathways are nicely like designed or like planned. The grass is nobody like makes it dirty or something like that, that throws anything like without thinking it. There's rules and regulation like for every single citizens, like whoever like immigrants or anyone willing to stay in Australia. As you can see, these are the free parkings. Like as you can see, these cars like on the road, free parkings, and like some with the limited time frames, they can park there. This was the thought I'm having when I'm walking towards my friend's place. Now next will be the Momo party. I'll show you guys how we make a Momo as well. We got a pretty good gathering, I don't know, 10-12 peoples. People's like a few people don't like, few of my friends, they don't like how to say to be in a video. They like over good looking, so I might not show you guys everyone, but I'll try. के अरे इसमें के अरे बटर हाल्ने कि तेल हाल्ने we have a professional chef as well. Chop chop. क्या बनाउँदै हो सुजा?
हम बना रहे हैं
के हो
सोवडम
के हो
सर ये के हो रे
के लागि बना रहे हो मिक्स मोमो को मिक्स मा हाल्नु लागि
कीमा
ए भेजिटेरियन कीमा
कीमा भइसक्यो त अनि के होला कस्तो कीमा हुन्छ
मिन्स चिकन मा हाल्नुको लागि होला नि हैन पहिलोचोटि खाँदै हो र नेपाली भएर मोमो रे Look at these guys. They see the Nepali specialty. It's called chutpate. Here's the chef for this. The one of the best and popular snack in Nepal. You should try this as well. So this is the means for the momo, yeah? I mean dumpling. Fauzi kata rakhne? Fauzi le kata rakhne? How are you gonna fold it?
Pinch. Fold. Fold.
These people are learning my audiences. Oh. We should wear gloves, but it's okay. We're making for family.
Perfect. Stick
All right.
together, no?
This is how we make a round dumpling, eh?
Round dumpling? Round, no?
Pastry
Yeah,
weight.
round fry. I thought you were making round.
Okay, I'll make round.
No,
Start with that. Pull this one. Push this one. Pull it. Push it. Pull it. Push it. Pull. Push. Pull. Push. Pull. Push.
Push it.
Yes.
Push karo, push.
Look. Look.
Oh wow! How did you make
Look at
it?
that.
Accidentally, a
Perfect
better one.
Momo. Perfect Momo. This is how you make it.
Magic.
Oh, it's got like instructions. I can.
Melbourne, oh, that's the way.
The Great Festival in Melbourne City, and this is just insane.
I was not.
This is the self-service. What is this, Bowser? Joel? So this is like authentic Nepali, how do you say? They call it, oh yeah, it's a soup. So after all the fun and belly full of Momo, saying goodbye and back to home. It was a great day. It was fun having a dumpling party. It's the time to go home. So my friends, they come like almost every month from the regional. We usually have a get together all the time, but this one, the Momo party. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe, because I need your suggestions and reviews to make my videos more better. I'll promise to give you more interesting videos next time. I'll see you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll end this video now here. Thank you. Have a good day.